being able to step back and not being sucked into the drama or everything else that's going on around us, because we are able to regulate ourselves. And when we can do that, that is a superpower in itself. It's so important. Hello and welcome back. Now, just before we get started, if you're watching this on the Total Somatics YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell. So whenever I release an episode, you find out very quickly. Also, if you haven't watched my TEDx talk on the subject of pandiculation, please do. So if you go to YouTube and put in the search bar, Heidi Hadley, TEDx talk, you'll be able to find it. And when you do, please give me a thumbs up. Please share it with anyone else who you know it resonates with. And I'd love to hear your comments below the talk. So please share that with me because I love checking them out. So thank you so much. But let us chat today a little bit about what's going on in the world. At the moment, there is so much uncertainty. I hear it here in my clinic. I hear it from so many people around the world. Nobody's immune to it. And what happens is there's this constant change. There's a lot of uncertainty. And what we need to notice is, what can we do to manage the situation when there's chaos everywhere? How can we create calm and this sense of balance from within when everything else seems to just be going off, really? And that's what I want to talk about today. I actually want to develop it over the coming weeks. And I've mentioned in the previous episode that we're going to have Mindful in May. So each week in May, I'm going to be holding a different subject on how we can be mindful. And even if you listen to the episodes at different times of the year, it's relevant all year round. It's only just when we get to May, I like to use that as a mid-year sort of recalibration. And so it's relevant to pick up and listen to anytime. So we will be having a weekly podcast, so do look out for those. But also, I just feel it's so important that we all connect together. So at the end of May, I'm going to hold a live event, and I would love it if you could come on, because one of the most important things that we can be doing at this point is connecting with people of like-minded ideas. And what that does is it lifts us rather than it drags us down. And it's really nice when we know there's this global community where we all want the best for each other and for ourselves as well. So what I want to do is look out for that. And if you listen to my podcast on a regular basis, or you're subscribed to my blogs and my newsletters, please keep checking them out because you'll see all the details in the coming weeks. But what I want to do today is start with a bit of a foundation and look at how we can cultivate an internal homeostasis, or what we would call state of balance, using the pillars of total somatics. Because when chaos surrounds us, we often can lose that regulation in our nervous system. You try not to, but you feel either you're getting pulled into a conversation or somebody's given a very strong viewpoint, and you just start to feel really unsettled from within. So you can see how very easily we can be knocked off, and it can just start to unsettle and dysregulate us. But through clinical somatic movement and through using the process of pandiculation, we can gently release these tight, tense muscles. And it's again about patterns. We want to release these patterns of tension and rigidity and tightness. Because when we pair up nervous system regulation practices and we put it with our somatic movement practice and our pandiculations, we can shift from having this survival reactive state to actually thriving and becoming more responsive, and also being able to step back and not being sucked into the drama or everything else that's going on around us, because we are able to regulate ourselves. And when we can do that, that is a superpower in itself. It's so important because we're taking care of ourselves now and for our future. And also, if we're taking good care of ourselves, those around us will pick up on that energy, because, of course, we are more sensory than motor. So people's sensory nervous systems will pick up a calmness, and they will feel more comfortable around you than around the chaotic, turbulent situations that they can encounter. Now, one of the key practices that we have in Total Somatics is about nervous system regulation. And just only in the last couple of weeks, I've released a whole new module within Total Somatics. It's called Total Somatic Release Breathwork. It is so powerful, and yet it's incredibly gentle. But what it does is it helps you to regulate your nervous system. It opens up your breathing. It helps with releasing that rigidity within your rib cage. And because we layer and we push so much down and we keep smiling to the world, but we suppress these emotions sometimes over decades, what we want to be doing is starting to open just gently and start to release this stuff, because it gets so exhausting holding it down all the time. And when we start to let things release, that those patterns of bracing and tightening, and it's just overprotectiveness. That's what our nervous system's doing. It's trying to protect us all the time. We know that we can start to soften, release, and let go. And when we practice these tools, it means that not only does our breathing improve, our musculoskeletal system, so our muscles and our bones improve and our joints, because we have greater movement, but also the rigidity of our thoughts and our mindset, that will shift as well. Because when we start moving into a different part of our brain, which is more about focus, awareness, concentration, decision making, we are less egocentric, and you see this in behavior as well, where people are pushing their agenda, their views, instead of having that perspective, that broader, more open, curious mindset. You see that not only just in a person's movement and in their posture, you see it in their thinking, you see it in their words. So you can see that with Total Somatics, we are looking at everything, because our thoughts, our words, our movements, they all will reveal a lot about if our nervous system is regulated or if there's a lot of dysregulation. So the more that you spend time within Total Somatics, you start to understand all of this is patterns. And it doesn't matter how many years you may have been doing this stuff, it shows up at different times. We have defaults, and when we have stresses that come in, like uncertainty globally, all the other things that are associated with it, we can flick back into defaults. We can go back to things that could be right from our childhood, where we had fears and concerns. And although we're adults now, it takes us back to old patterns. So that's why it's really important that we're aware of this. And within Total Somatics, there are many tools and techniques that you can do for regulation and to release that bracing, not only physiologically, but also psychologically as well. And you see, when you deepen your practice and you check that out in greater detail in totalsomatics.com, go and have a look at my website, because you'll see all of the information. There's plenty there at totalsomatics.com for you to start understanding what I teach, how this is going to help with life skills. That's what's really important. It's life skills, what you take from the membership and take out to the world. It's really important that we have this, because I'm always saying it, I'm going to say it again now, it helps our current and our future self out. What we're doing now is really taking good care of our inflammation levels, our joint health, our mental health, our immune function, our gut health. Everything is linked. So I would love you to come and join me in the membership. If you go to totalsomatics.com, click on the join page, and if the membership doors are closed, which they will be if you're listening to this middle to end of April, do check it out, that you can put your details in the wait list. And as soon as I open the membership doors again, I'll let you know. I'll be in touch. But as I said, look out every week in May. We're going to be doing Mindful in May, and that's a really good mid-year recalibration. And I would love you to join me at the end of that month in May, where we can get together and we can just have an overall reset. Wherever you are in the world, we'll be together. But as I said, in the meantime, while you're waiting for all that, do have a look at totalsomatics.com. And also, I want to share a resource with you, which would be really good, because if you're not in the Total Somatics membership yet, and you'd love to come in and especially benefit from things such as the Total Somatic Release Breathwork, as well as all the other work that's in there, you can start today with a simple breath technique, which I'll share with you. It's free. And if you go to totalsomatics.com/regulate, so totalsomatics.com/regulate, And when you go to that you'll see there's a 10-minute breathing and eye movement audio for you. That's going to be great to regulate your nervous system at this point now. And as I said, see you in the live event. If you can join at the end of May, it'd be wonderful to see you. But in the meantime, I'm sending you all my love and all my very best wishes. Hopefully you can feel my tight hug through the airways to you, wherever you're listening to this or watching this in the world. So until next time, take care. Bye. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this episode, please leave a rating and also forward this on to somebody you know will benefit. To learn more about pain relief, plus how to improve your health and well-being, go to totalsomatics.com. Until next time, take care.